Hello viewers in YouTube land. Well, in this episode we're going to take a look at the GW89. It's a little mini drone that looks just like a Mavic 2 Pro. Yep, let me show you. There it is right there. Does that look like a Mavic 2 Pro? They name it the selfie drone. So if I pull it away, look at how tiny it is. It's getting smaller, 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 smaller. It's pretty small. Look at this thing. And it is your typical foldable drone. So I pulled all the arms out and there we go. There's the drone and it has a nice little camera on the front. See, there's a little camera in the front that's supposed to look like the Mavic 2 Pro. Well, it's kind of rectangular shaped. Let me tell you this, it's 1080p, but it's not a 4K Mavic 2 Pro camera. Not in the least. This drone here, you're going to see below, if you check the link, don't check it out, wait till the end of the video. It is so inexpensive. It costs very, very little. And because of that, they say it's 1080p, but it's not a very good 1080p. And on my Android phone, the video, when it records, it jumps frames. So it goes smooth for a while and then it jumps. Smooth, then jumps. So it's probably just my phone. You're going to see it in this review. It's okay, but it's, you know, you're not going to write home. For the amount of money you spend on this, if you even think you were supposed to get amazing 1080p video quality, well, then you're living in a different planet than I am. That's for sure. So anyways, I'm going to show you my review of this drone. Let me just say this before you watch it. It flies great. It's a blast. It's portable. You can fit it in your pocket when you fold it up. It's so small. Flies for a long time. It's really good for that. And the battery's pretty decent. You're going to see that in this review. All in all, it's a really good drone, except for it's not a really good drone for those people who are going to buy this and think they're going to get awesome camera quality, because you're not. At least on my phone, using the app, it didn't come out that great. So here's the review. Check it out. Start the FHD FPV app. Go. Yes, it is running, I know. Touch for more information. Yes. Hit the play button. There's my display. Hit the reset button. Alright, hit the takeoff button. There we go. Here's the drone flying in the air. Does look like a Mavic. A very tiny one at that. It's breezy out here, but it seems to be doing okay. Is it recording any video? Because on my little display, I see myself, but I look like I'm stuttering a bit. Let's see what this guy could do. So, he's sitting right there, a little bit of a breeze. Okay, these things are supposed to do flips, so let's try the flip. There we go. Do that again. We flipped in the sun. What else do I have on here? I have speed, so let's see. What speed is this? Okay, here's slow speed. That's what I've been flying in. Very slow. Easy for beginners. Turn it around. Let's put it in faster speed. 2 beeps. There we go. As you get better, you can fly in that speed. And that's not even the fastest. Here we go. 3 beeps. Here we go, full blast. So this would be expert speed. If you really know how to fly, this is what you're doing. So the next thing it does, it says on here, is it has gesture mode. I gotta find it. You know, there is a gesture mode on here, but it's much easier just to hit the button to snap a photo if I do the gesture mode. Okay, I'll put it in gesture mode. There's a box on my screen. I don't know if you can see it. Do I see anything on my screen? I'm walking here. Got my hand up. There you go. See, it's going now. You can use the gesture mode, but not when it's windy. I'll try one last time here. This is hilarious. Okay, let me just hold it there. There it's going. So this drone here would be more for people that just want a little buzzy drone. This is pretty windy out here, pretty breezy, so it could fly in the wind, but you wouldn't get the gesture mode to work properly. So let me just show you a bit of, let's take it up a bit. They're going up. And there you go, that's what the video looks like up there. If you want smooth video with this, you have to fly very, very slow. And now a quick unboxing of the GW89, the global drone. Let's check out what's in the box. First thing in the box, we have the instruction manual. Next, we have the really tiny drone and the much larger controller. Look at how small this drone is. Look at the size of my hands. This is a foldable drone with foldable arms. Taking a good look at the drone, we have nothing on the top, nothing on this side, and nothing on this side. Checking out the back, let's bring that nice and close. You can see you have a spot to plug in a USB cable. You can charge the battery without removing it from the drone, and you also have a battery indicator button here. If I hold it down, there we go. We can see we're almost fully charged. We can pull the battery out of the drone, and let's see what we have. It looks like it's a 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp battery. Taking a look at the bottom of the drone, we see nothing, no sensors, no spot for a micro SD card, and then all the way to the front, look at this camera. It's supposed to be designed like a Mavic 2 Pro camera. And basically what you get is a camera here, and you can move it down that far and forward a little bit up. I don't know if you can see it inside right here. It says 1080p. And finally, you can see that we do have brush motors and we have foldable props. Taking a quick look at the controller, you can see it's a basic Mavic style looking controller. We have the fake antennas up front. They're just for show. And back here is where you would put your cell phone, right in there. Also included with the drone would be a USB cable so you can charge up the battery, 4 prop guards for the drone, 2 spare propellers, 1 micro Phillips screwdriver, batteries in the drone, the power's on. Let's weigh the drone. What did we get? 109 grams, extremely light. If you're someone who just wants a drone to have a lot of fun with, buzz around, and that to me seems like that would be more if you wanted to get this really little drone for your grandkids, your children, your niece or your nephew, then this is a really good buy because it costs next to nothing. They can fly it around, smash it into things, whatever. It's probably not going to break because I'm looking at how the motors are designed and everything, and it's really well encased. So unless you throw it against the wall. And it does come with prop guards for indoor flights, which is pretty good. So with that said, I am going to say thanks for watching this video. If you would like to find out more about this drone, I'm sure you already have. The links are below. Are there coupons? No, because this drone is on sale right now. So the price you see below, if it looks like a low price, that's because it's on sale. It's not going to stay at that price forever. So that's why I say right now, today, with it on sale, it's a good buy. So if you're watching this in the future and you go, that drone's not too cheap, well, you missed the sale. So click on it if you're interested in this drone now because, yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one.